Kamekhalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC minta khatarik naitung kelap pynlong ke jingiakhih berjarjar ha office rekam ke parti ke Congress Bhavan Hakandai lat kum kadak ban pinpau ke jing pyrshah ke jingshah pynduh jinglong MP Rahun Gandhi. Uba pala ulong ba kajing pynlong ya kani kajing ekhi berjarjar ka deban pinpau ba kidan ba urahul compare lada kalong kumnu rei kalong ru kajing kitbok ya kalawe jongu. Hagani kajing ekhi ladan lang UMP Nasional ba Vincent H Pala ki MLA MDC nalor kiwe kinang yalam ke parti.
Leaders of all the frontal wings are here, MLAs, MDCs, and some are not able to come because of their engagement. The purpose of this meeting is to lodge a protest, silent protest against the court ruling, Gujarat High Court ruling against our leader Rahun Gandhi, where they have upheld the ruling of the previous court, judicial magistrate. So we have lodged a silent protest throughout the country. And Meghalaya MPCC also has done the same to hold this satyagraha, silent protest against the action against our leader Rahul Gandhi. And then we've discussed many other things also with the impending MP election, MDC elections. So all this has been discussed, how to go forward and ensure that the party emerge victorious in this next two important elections. We have to strengthen the party at the grassroots level and reach out to the party regarding the failure of the NDA government at all levels, be it economic, be it economy, be it employment, be it the price rise, so many issues that have affected especially the common people. And, the economy has slid to such a level where it'll take years for the economy to bounce back to its, previous year's level. And then you look at unemployment, it's at the highest in the last 45 years. We've not had this kind of, rate of high unemployment. And then you see now the situation in Manipur.
Intention is to stand with Rahul Gandhi. Our intention is to support him. So when somebody is convicted, when somebody is our leader, so our intention is to show that we are with you, whatever be the case, and we'll see it as a party, we are with you. That's the intention. It may help or it may not help him, but I think normally when you are in problem, if many people are supporting you, we start our meeting today with prayers for his future, relief. We start our meeting with our prayers that, people should know and India should be safe. They should know that the freedom of speech, freedom of express should be there. So with that in mind, I think we have today. In 2 days, it's difficult for us to organize. Number one, we asked a permission. They didn't give us a permission. Number two, it's raining. So we thought that if it's raining, it's difficult because Shillong is very congested. It's not like other cities. So if we organize in a big way, then there are lots of inconvenience to others, not like before. So I don't know, but hopefully, you see, to organize in a big way, you need time also. You cannot organize within 2-3 days. So maybe in the future, today is the beginning, maybe in the future we'll definitely organize. You are right, we are planning to organize in a big way, but because of within 2-3 days we cannot do so. So we are sorry. And many states, they have organized in a big way because, big states. But here, so we'll do something. We had a meeting today, so in case anything, let's see what we'll wait for. Maybe I'm going to Delhi tomorrow. We'll discuss with them. We may have another program also.